project going to be replacing all the control arm brackets and adding a truss to my dad's 2003 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. These are the Dana 44 Rubicon axles, and as time has gone on, I'll show you that they've become stressed and cracked. Found this right before one of our trips. You can see here, this is cracked right along there. And then it's hard to see, but right along there it's cracked as well. There's another crack. This is the lower control arm. There's definitely a crack inside of here. So this was gonna go soon too. Okay, before starting the weld, to show you, got the axle tube all cleaned up and ready to receive the new truss here. Alright, calling this one ready to be cleaned up and painted. Alright, now I'm going to work on the rear. Just wanted to point out a couple things here. You can see possibly there's a crack on that upper control arm bracket. We also noticed a crack and a tear on this bracket here where the track bar is attached. And if I remember right, there was some cracking. Yeah, here we go. Some cracking on the lower control arm bracket. But, oh, there it is. Some cracking on that lower control arm bracket. So, definitely some metal fatigue and cracking going on here. Going to cut all these off, strip it down, and install new brackets with a truss on the rear as well. I'll figure stop here for a second. Show I've got the track bar side on now and welded down. Control arm bracket on the other side. Trying to get this truss to fit. There's a lot of things in the way, so I've marked out some areas that I'm going to try to cut away and make some clearance. Yeah, it's got a bunch of issues on both sides. Part of the issue is this differential pinion skid plate and all the bracketry for that. But it's pretty valuable and don't want to lose that feature, having that skid plate right there. And then the other part is just the brake lines. and the vent tube. So gonna see if I can't make room for those as well.